It's going to be a very interesting day because Jimbo is about to receive his Lamborghini Murcielago.
When I was invited to come, I was thinking about what I should talk about today, and I took a step back and I was like, if I were a student here, this fantastic school, and I was the age of most of the people out there that are not parents, what could I hear that would affect me? What would I want to hear? And I don't know that I ever really grew up past the age of 15, so it's not hard for me to empathize with teenagers. So what I want to talk to you guys about today is opportunity and obligation. And I thought, when I look back,
right here. If you're ever trying to focus, the car goes back at 4 p.m.
Okay, cool. So we have 3 hours with it.
Correct.
Cool.
Good afternoon, Savage Garage. Today is a very special day. My dear boy here is about to get his cherry popped.
Yeah.
Big time. Today's the day that he actually can say, I own a supercar.
Yeah.
Officially. There's a big thing coming. And do you know all about it yet?
I have only seen pictures. I know it's a good car, but I've never driven it. I've never seen a clip of it driving. I just know that it's yellow.
I already hate it because it's yellow. But that's
yellow.
all right. Actually, I don't hate it yet. Soon. It's going to be a very interesting day because Jimbo is about to receive his Lamborghini Murcielago. We're about to see this incredible car come off of Potomac Towing's lift, and you're about to have your life change forever.
Yeah.
Forever, bro.
Wait, what? It's here?
Yep.
Wait, you're kidding?
No, I know it's. I told you
That was perfect timing right there.
Here you go. You're kidding. Nope. 100% saw the car already. We have a tissue.
I just called Harry. He's around the corner.
There he is.
There it is.
Oh,
Look at that.
oh my God. Oh, hi. Look at that thing.
Which side of the wheels do we like?
It's Big Bird. That was the one Jimbo piece. Oh my gosh, it's exactly.
There it is, brother.
We call him Big Bird.
Hey, how are you? Oh no. How you doing, buddy?
Good.
Yeah.
It's about to change his day.
Yeah, pleasure. Thank you very much.
No problem.
He needs a door strut.
Same struts.
He needs a door strut. That's okay. It's clean. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh, I know. You know,
Are you like hearing the Italian symphony right now?
I don't like. I'm this close to saying something really cliche, like money doesn't buy happiness, but it gets you damn near close. But I don't want to say that because that's really
doesn't buy happiness, but it sure doesn't hurt.
Yes, yes. I have had this Hot Wheels car for the last how long? About 15 years. This little guy. So. This one doesn't have yellow stripes on the top. I don't know why the Hot Wheels people like Mattel did that, but this is a big moment.
Yeah.
beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Excited?
Very excited.
Go for it. For the first ride?
I need a picture of Randy in a yellow car. All right, we need a Big Bird costume.
The lights are on.
Work, sort of. Nice. This is incredible. Oh, I got my own. I got my own lift gate thing, or the lift thing. I wonder if I could program that to work with mine. Oh. It's so cool.
This has got to be cool.
I'm so glad I got a yellow one.
On many levels.
On like every like
On many levels.
on every like perfect. It's perfect. Perfect. Now I can be that guy at the car show who has the model car.
Yeah.
Glued on your dash.
Glued on the dash.
Can we test the best feature of the car?
Oh, the white.
No, the model wiper. My favorite thing of all Mercies, the mono wiper thing. There's nothing better than a single wiper on a car. It looks so badass. And it's so stupid because it doesn't function. It doesn't function.
We should mono wiper all of our cars.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah, especially the F450.
Oh, I left the keys in the ignition. Okay. Or one of them anyway.
Don't spray it, just turn it.
Which one was it?
It's on the other side. Oh,
Right. It's huge.
Thank you.
So the centerpiece that on yours that like is broken beyond all repair, this one actually stays down.
Oh, cool. Can I steal this?
No.
Isn't there one on top? Do you have one on top?
Yeah, his is falling.
You know, we managed to put a yellow car in the Savage fleet.
Yeah. Man.
We did not like you got a picture of Randy in the car, right?
100%. You want it?
Perfect. Oh, you gotta send it to me.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't looked at the car from the front end. Like,
It doesn't smell like grapefruit.
That's why I bought this car. Right there.
Who cares?
No, wait, put the door down. Put the door down. Put the front door down, please.
Who cares if it leaks as long as you?
When it's on fire, that's when it's a concern.
Get the video.
Move out of the way. She's getting the thumbnail
That's,
or the cocknail, depending on the.
yeah, this just, to me, is just, I like it a little, you know, over the LP640. LP640 looks good in its own right, for sure. But just this, to me, this is just so iconic.
Where are you putting the front license plate?
What front license plate? Are you kidding? No front license plate. I'll take the ticket every day. This is probably the first thing in recent memory that has made me genuinely happy, that puts a smile on my face.
Well, my cheeks are hurting for you, brother.
Very photogenic.
I mean, it just, you know, something that makes me happy for me. Like, this is pure, you know, just euphoria. This is pure just fun. It's rolling.
Big bird.
It's so pretty.
It is.
It's so pretty.
It is. I gotta admit, this car really did. It hit me the moment it was pulling up, and I'm like, wow, damn, those things look good in yellow. It just does. And there's another. I mean, yellow 911s look very good to me too. I wouldn't buy one. I wouldn't choose it, but they do look very beautiful.
Honestly, it's just a loss for words. You work for something, and you know, just it was one of the things where the channel has done as well as it has, and everything. Where I've said to myself, you know, we've come this far and we've gotten this lucky. Why not just keep rolling the dice? So, you know, is there a likelihood that this will blow up and cost a lot of money to repair? Yes, absolutely. I'm aware that there are lots of services on this car that are catastrophically expensive. And then there's body work things, like if I smash a front bumper, like that's the cost of my S600. Like,
Right, exactly.
You know, like if that bumper goes, you go over a curb wrong,
But
you know.
that's not why we buy these cars.
No, not at all.
We buy these cars because they make us smile, and you guys watch these cars because that's what brings passion to your life when you watch our channel. And you know, not to say you're living vicariously through us, but at the same time you're enjoying to see the cars, because it's not every day you're going to see this beautiful Murcielago rolling down the road, or the SVJ, or beautiful Corvette. Anyway, but I love you, John, but I hate your car.
Vroom vroom. That means I love him more.
If this broke and was a, you know, very expensive paperweight in my driveway, even if it was something where I couldn't fix it immediately, wouldn't care.
Yeah,
You know, wouldn't
you'd
care
still
at all.
look at it like a giant paperweight.
Yeah, I'd sit in front of it and just stare at it.
Oh, you're staring at the wall, staring at the little Matchbox car on your desk, and now you're just staring in the driveway.
I get it. My stare in the driveway car, and it's funny that you sent me that today, was my 97 C4S black aero body kit. And I would sit in my garage and I'd look at that car because the lines on it were just so amazing. And I get it. This is a car you stare at and you look at it and you go, oh, I didn't notice that before. I didn't see that before. Why were they thinking that before?
Yes, on
But
many
at the
things.
same time, it just, you know, it kind of just brings joy. And you, my friend, deserve it. Enjoy it with all the health in the world. Don't kill yourself and don't hit my curb.
I promise. So thanks for watching, everybody. You know, we'll see you next time.
Subscribe.
When I look back at sort of the trajectory of my career and on a larger scale my life, I see sort of every time there was a pivot point. Now, in retrospect, it's easy to look back and see where the opportunity was. In the moment, the opportunity was never really clear. And I think that in itself is what opportunity is. I feel obliged to embrace opportunities like that. I felt obliged to quit my job. I felt obliged to walk away from HBO. And the obligation was because there was something in me, there was a truth that I wanted. And the obligation was to embrace that.
are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.